back to Chief Made. We're going to take a look at the receive with the signal generator into the KPO DX 5000 on this video, and then we'll transition right into the over the air receiver. Let me cut my radio down. And so that's what we're going to do here. Right now, signal generator is at minus 132, 30%. And you can hear that tone on AM. You can hear the tone at 132 at 30%. I'll bump it up to 50%. Go to 50. You hear it a lot better. Alright, so that's really all I need to show you on that, right? No need to show anything else, but while I'm here, I am going to check the S9 on this thing real quick. Alright, let's go back to 30%. And let's go to turn it down. Let's go all the way to, let's go down to 72. You can see the S9, they probably set it at 68. Yeah, I bet if I put this on 68, minus 68, I bet it's dead on S9. What you want to bet? Pretty much, huh? Could be one more bar up, would be right past the 9 there. So that's interesting. So not quite S9 at minus 68 dBm at 30%. Okay. Let's see if it does on sideband. Put it on, that's upper sideband. Put it on 27206. Same. So okay, so that would be the S9. Alright. Okay. Not a problem there. So okay, well that's what we were looking at on there. And we're gonna go to back to 108, we'll go to 118. Hear the tone. Let's check it out with the noise blanker. Let's check it out with the noise reduction. Hear that? You can still hear it, but man, it drops it down about to where the 132 tone was. So that's interesting. Okay. Try a high cut. Alright, let's check the sinad out. I believe I've got a thing, I think it was at minus 110. Minus 110. Okay, we'll hook this up into the external speaker. Give me just a second. Alright, volume about 2 o'clock, sweeps all the way down, RF gain all the way up at minus 110 dBm, 30%, 1 kilohertz tone. It's on down there pretty good. Alright, we turn the tone off. Yeah, pretty fantastic. Pretty fantastic. Let's see what it's hearing on let's see what it's hearing on sideband. That's the same. Turn the tone on. Put it on the right frequency for upper sideband. Pretty good. Pretty good ears. Pretty good ears out of the box. No issues there. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go straight now to over-the-air audio and let you hear how this thing sounds and show you how the noise reduction feature works and the noise compander works over the air on some sideband. So I'll finish that up. We'll get some good skip rolling in here, which we have here lately, and we'll just make this one good video. All right, we'll be back. All right, welcome back to Chief Made. We're gonna look at the transmit just real quickly on this radio and the receiver with a little skip running behind it. First, I'm just gonna show the over-the-air audio on this thing real quick. All right, audio 1 2, audio 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry about the glare. Here's what it is: 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio test 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Alright, that's with the power all the way down. Audio 1 2 1 2 3 4. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio. Okay, and that's at 6K wide. Let's bump it up to 9. Audio 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio test 1 2 3 4 1 2. Okay, so you can hear it on there. Let's check it out on lower side real quick. Let me switch over to the dummy load. Audio 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4. Hello radio 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2. Audio 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio 1 2 3 4. Hello radio 1 2 1 2. Okay, well, that's lower side, and so there's a little transmit audio. Let me switch back to the turn this off. Switch back to the regular antenna. Alright, there's some AM real quick.
Yeah, we hear you coming in there, Alabama. We do hear you coming in there, man. It's rough and tough, but we got you in there, man. So on the bag up here.
High cut. Uh-oh. Hit the 10K because I didn't hit the function. High cut off. High cut on.
We missed the call there, but we're hoping we're going to get it when we sign off on you, man. You take care out there in Alabama, and hopefully we can cross them antennas again. DB45, this Canadian mud duck, and we'll be gone.
Okay. Let's scan up to 38. Try to block this glare just a little bit for you.
Hey, we're going to try to wrap it up out here in this
Right.
plan. QRF, no doubt about it. What do you make out here? 837.
High cut.
Birmingham, Alabama. Okay, you better wrap it up quick.
837 in there.
Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to get out of
Let's
here.
go
I gotta
to
somewhere, so, yeah, he's got to go to one world. Come on.
try the noise compander. Watch this. It's almost like a little preamp.
Alright, good contact, y'all. We're good out there. Bye-bye. 837, Birmingham, Alabama. Have a good day.
It's the noise compander. That's the noise reducer.
Alligators, we'll see. In the bam, we go.
How about that?
Well, come on in there, Los Angeles, Cal. We got you in LA, man. downtown Los Angeles. Let's go. Okay. Where are you going? Okay. I appreciate it out there. I'm going to go to Wally World. You know how you go to Walmart. 837 Birmingham. Have a good day. We gone, 50. You better get your station wagon and drive to Wally World.
Let's see if
I'm telling you, we can't bring it back down to the station.
man, he's off, ain't he? Until you turn the clarifier. I don't like that it clicks. The clicking. See how far he is? He's pretty good. Bit off.
You pull up there about 15 foot in the air, yeah, we're sitting here on the flat side of a moon right before, and we pulled you out with that bigger foot radio, Roger.
It's a little south of on his frequency.
Okay, Dane, Ohio, yeah, it's a rough and tough one out there for sure. Enjoy all very much, friends. Out there around western Nashville, Tennessee, 789 North Idaho, week 7. They're gonna do something out there.
Yeah, if you're ever over there and you're clarifying, make sure you put it back, because it'll stay wherever you leave it when you change channels. Okay.
We got 185, Newfoundland, Canada. Keep us out.
It's Newfoundland, Canada. 185. I don't know if that's Andy or who that is. Alright, we'll try to turn the noise. And it's option 8.
How about that needle bender 821? How about that needle bender 821? You copy 185, 185.
Yeah, it takes it a second to cycle through. It's got another little board in here for this kind of stuff. It does some little weird sounds.
How about that needle bender 821? Needle bender 821. You copy 185, Newfoundland, Canada.
High cut. So you can do all these little adjustments. Alright, let me show the noise compander again one more time.
World Radio 0212 around New York, 999 British Columbia. How about that wind doctor? How about that wind doctor? Copy 185 Newfoundland, Canada. Yeah, World Radio
Brings your signals up.
out of New York.
That brings your signals up, but you can't run this and the reducer at the same time, obviously. So this brings the signals up. If you go over to noise reducer, it's off now. Turn it on, the compander goes off, and the noise reduction circuit kicks in. Okay.
If you're copying me anyway, have a good one. 999 near Vancouver City. We're back on the side.
And this is the factory speaker you're hearing. I don't have it plugged into anything. You can hear the little digital where it's trying to pat it down. But it does work good, and you got a lot of signals in there. It's a noise reduction.
Here in Georgia, 813, Georgia, 789. Somebody's mama. Hey, talking about that mama. Hey. Yeah, Joe Mama and me are pretty tight. You got that right. Just in and out right now, in and out. I'll be back again though, but I'm in and out right now. 547.
Noise blanker smooths it out. See the static?
Roger. 73 is 547 in Washington State. Yeah, 1226 in Indiana, needlebender 454.
Alright, so that's just a brief overview of the noise compander, the noise reduction circuit, the noise blanker, the high cut. Each menu You got all these options. Your function for the bottom on all these, and then just the button for the top selections. Okay, your radio manual that comes with the radio goes through everything very well, so you can anytime you can look at that, keep up with it, and it'll help you familiarize yourself with the controls and such. Alright, so for now, that is the end of the receive video with a little bit of transmit thrown in there with it. I do hope you have a fine day. From me to you, 7-3.